This video is the first video of shading a sphere with a light source and a cast shadow. First steps first, I'm going to use the dot method for this one. I'm going to place a central dot and I'm going to orbit that dot, trying to keep that line equidistant from that center. Now, for the shaded part, since you've already freehanded a sphere with cross-contour ellipses, if you want to measure this or kind of use like a compass, I think that's fine. It's technical drawing if you want to get a perfect sphere for this. The shading is what's most important. So for this, I'm working on the sphere, getting it laid out as accurately as I possibly can. You can turn the paper. This can help you keep your radius from that center pretty equidistant. For the shading of the sphere, I still want to consider that central axis because we're going to use that to indicate where our light source is coming from. So just in the sphere with ellipses, you have that central axis. This is going to be important for determining where our highlight, our light, our shadow, and our shadow core go. So let's suppose that this light is coming from upper left. It will hit the highlight at the top of that axis point. And the cast shadow will radiate out from that light source, hitting both the top and the bottom of the sphere. Dropping down to the plane, you will have a line that is tangent to the bottom of the sphere. And both sides of that light source, as they come down, will designate where on that bottom baseline the left-hand side and the right-hand side of that cast shadow ellipse.